Here during the Lowe's, we have a different option available for you. Anytime you get into hurricanes, one inevitable problem you're going to have is power loss. A way to take care of power loss would be a portable generator system. We've got a number of different options available. One thing that you're going to take a look at is the capacity of your generator. You need to figure out what you want to use, what you want to run off of it. Take care of your essentials first, like your electrical problems. You're going to have your refrigerator, take care of your food, your freezer, take care of the essentials first. Any generator is going to need some basic items to operate properly. You're going to need gas, of course. If you have gas, make sure you have enough gas to get these through for at least several days. Also, if you have gas, you make sure that the gas is fresh. If you have gas that's been sitting for a while, you want to use Stable or another product that's comparable to this to help stabilize the fuel for extended periods of time. It'll help keep it a lot better and a lot fresher fuel. Any kind of motor, you're going to need oil in that thing. Make sure you've got plenty of oil. Check it religiously, because if you let that thing down, it's going to let you down. Make sure you take care of it properly. Now, when you're putting a generator in, the first thing you do is find a way to get the power out of the generator into your house. One option that you have available is a disconnect that goes from the generator to your main box in your house. Please get a professional electrician to wire this thing in. This is not a project for the amateur to take care of. The other option would be to go to a whole generator box, which has its own circuit breaker system. This goes inside your house. Let a professional take care and wire this in hand for you. On the extension cords, make sure you don't exceed the capacity of the extension cord that you have. You'll see on this one it has a 30 amp rating on the extension cord. That's there for a reason. It's basically to protect the wiring and don't let the thing short out on you. Little precautions on electrical work. Don't use the generator in the rain. Of course, electrical and wiring and water, things like that, don't go along together too well. Another safety precaution is make sure you keep it away from your house. You want that exhaust to vent away from your house. You also don't want to use it in any kind of confined space, such as a porch, your back room, your garage, things like that. You want to make sure that carbon monoxide exhaust is venting away from your house completely. Any kind of confined space is major problems. When you've got your generator, you'll see that this one has a fuel indicator on top of it, which tells you how much fuel you have available. Be sure and check it every 2 to 3 hours. Let the engine cool down a little bit. Again, don't use it in the rain. When you're hooking up your extension cords, you see that this has the disconnects down here. It also has a main switch and a breaker system on it too. If you exceed the generator capacity, it will pop a breaker just like your normal house would do. Just go back and reset it, find out where you've overloaded the circuit, and disconnect something. Use only the minimums and the absolute maximum that you have to get by it for this time. Here at Lowe's, we have a number of different options available. We have the portable generator systems available. We also have a whole house generator system available, which will drive just about everything you have in your house.